Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Dill here from Timeless, and welcome to another video. So before I do start today's video, I do want to let a lot of you guys know that there will start being face videos. I have a whole set that's in the workings currently, so I can give you guys better production value and hopefully give you more entertainment when it comes to this channel. So I hope you guys do enjoy that and definitely look towards the future. So in today's video, I'm talking about 2018 and what I think could be the next NMD, the next Roshi, the next big sneaker from Adidas, and that can be the P.o.d. or pod system of the Adidas Boost sneakers. If you guys haven't seen these shoes, they are very resembling of the actual Adidas Pro Fair, which released very recently without actual boost, but this sneaker has basically the same silhouette, the same actual shape, the same structure of that other shoe, except this one is going to feature boost. On the actual pod system itself, I'm not completely sure about the actual sneaker if it is going to be featuring boost in the front, but the actual heel of the sneaker does feature boost in that scale-like pattern found on the EQT 9317s, as well as a brand new silhouette that looks a little bit different than anything we've seen before, such as the pull tab in a different location, the lacing system with minimal 3-stripe branding. I'm not completely sure if any of these shoes are going to be featuring prime knit, but for right now, the information that we do have is that these are set to release in fall/winter of 2018, which can mean any day now, any week now, or in the next couple months. It could be happening very soon, so stay tuned to the channel by clicking that post notification button to get a post notification every time I upload. So to walk through the actual colorways that are set to release in the P.o.d. system, that is core black, which is almost like a black and white looking one, an all white looking one, and then a black with a bunch of different hints and tones that are very similar to almost like a scrapped sneaker where you find a bunch of different materials and throw it onto a sneaker. It looks very similar to that, but the colorway is core black, and solar red, featuring a little bit of blue, turquoise, and a couple different pinks. But the next sneaker is then the gray 3, which is all gray basically with very subtle hints of orange. But throughout this entire collection, my favorite is probably the one that's black with the white boost and EVA midsole. I hope you guys are excited for these sneakers as much as I am. I'm looking to see what Adidas is going to do for the future, how they're going to change up sneakers, what they're going to do differently with boost, and hopefully upgrade it to, make it a little bit different than things that we've seen in the past couple years. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, remember to leave a like and subscribe. Also click that post notification button to get a post notification every time I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.